amazing microgreens. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to plant microgreens. What are microgreens? We have got these microgreens from the brand Herber and I'm going to be actually planting them. Microgreens are leafy vegetables, but these are very small and they can be grown and they can be used as salad dressing, or you can even make a sabzi out of it, a vegetable, and eat it. You can mix it along with other salads. If you are into salads, if you ask me, I love salad, but if somebody gives it to me, if you tell me to make a salad, I'm a really lazy person for that. So let's get ahead and unbox and even plant this kit. Okay, so I am opening it and these are the premium microgreens from Herber. I will show you all of them. Yes. Okay, so I am opening this first microgreen kit and okay, cool. So I've got this brochure from Herber. And let me tell you more about them. They started in 2018 and they offer these microgreen kits and hydroponics. So if you don't know what is hydroponics, leave it in the comment section below. I will tell you what exactly hydroponics is. But let's get sowing these microgreens. Wow, this is something I've seen for the first time. In fact, this is my first time sowing microgreens. Last time what I had done is I had just sown them randomly. I collected some samples from my farmhouse in Alibag and just planted them. And of course, during school projects, I have sown microgreens. And in fact, the lady who used to take care of me, we used to call her Aji. She was the nanny. She told me to grow wheat, and that was the first time I grew wheat grass. And my teacher was like, "Wow, that's amazing!" And that is a wheat grass that is so famous these days. Everybody is having. So they have given the soil, and I think it's an amazing and nutrient-rich soil. And the first thing that I'm going to sow is broccoli. Wow. So yeah. So it's very easy and convenient as it is written here. So this is me not trying to make my office room dirty, but sowing at the same time. And the first thing that goes in is broccoli. So the way to actually sow these microgreens is to just spread them. Never mind, one side has a little more of these microgreens, and I'm going to just mix it up like this, and this is therapeutic. Yes, and here grows in my broccoli. Done. This is the second tray. I am yet to figure out what is this and why this box does not have it. I shall figure it out. But we'll continue to plant these things. And I will not be showing you how to plant all the microgreens here because this is pretty much it. I mean, you just have to take soil. It's already in pockets. It's measured to the container size. And just take this packet and spread it. So that day I was just talking to my friend, and she's also a gardener. In fact, she is the owner of a nursery, and we were just talking, and that just came to my mind, and how true it is that our ancestors, really thousands of years back, have started farming. And how did they learn farming? There was something called as natural instinct in them, which told them that maybe broccoli or arugula is a great crop and you should not eat for example poisonous berries. How were they able to differentiate between spinach and broccoli and not eat poisonous fruits, and how they discover potatoes and beetroots and stuff like that. Natural instinct. So when it comes to sowing microgreens or gardening, what you need to know is your basic natural instinct. I will be sowing all these and showing it to you just in a jiffy. Okay guys, so let's unbox these. We have got different kinds of microgreens from the brand Herber, and let's unbox this one. Let me zoom in and show you what's exactly in this box. So I finally found out why these two containers are given and what is the purpose of this. So it's actually written here. When you open this container, it's written at the back. So what is actually going to happen is this one. You take this container, you put water in it, and again use your basic instincts. I will not measure it down for you. And you put it, and then you plant something in it. Now what I have done here is I have used both these trays and planted. Now this one will need some holes in it, so we'll have to drill some holes in this one. You can do it with a knife or a nail cutter. So Herber has been super duper nice to me and given me so many seeds to sow, but I'm going to start with these 4 seeds. And the most important thing is, when you sow these seeds, do not throw out these packages because you will not remember what is what. So here is red cabbage, this is purple radish, this is broccoli and arugula. I've used all these trays, and I'll be putting a bottom tray and punching in holes in the trays which do not have holes. And here I am concluding the video. Sowing microgreens, starting your own hydroponic system for sowing in green leafy vegetables like palak, radish, methi, coriander, lemongrass is, I think, something which is going to be valued even more than the amount of gold, silver and diamonds and solitaires that you have. And I think it's a great thing that you can do while in lockdown, while we are restricting our movements, and it's also something great that you can do along with your kids, because you know, if you're a fan of Mad Max, you will know what I'm saying. Gold is okay, but you know, you'll actually need seeds, water and farming knowledge to survive in the dystopian future. I'm also a science fiction fan, so adding all these things, but guys, this is knowledge that is most valuable. And if you want to make great use of your lockdown time, also learn some gardening basics, do watch this video where Sukhmom Mitali sows all these microgreens in association with Herber. We'll be bringing in a lot more gardening videos, plant related videos, dog related videos really soon. So stay tuned, do subscribe. Bye.